But y'all remember the last video we did? Kyle there on the right, and Roger on the left. They did come in another vehicle. They got them another one. Dodge. They're not Enterprise anymore. That's right. There's a shimmy dampener right there.
He's leaking a little bit.
Nothing like $6,000 won't replace. You can fix anything with money, anything. That's what it looks like behind that panel. Y'all see me checking. So that shimmy dampener, let's see, it's 14, so 7 years old. They repacked the bearings. And the pre-cooler was time to get a little attention. Got that cookie cutter. There's a pre-cooler. Old and new.
There you go.
No cussing now, y'all on video.
Never that. Rick and back and packing lumber. We're the Rick and Bubba of mechanics. Rick and Bubba.
Rick and Bubba. If you can see it up in there or not.
I got a flashlight. You got it?
I can see it up there at the top, I think.
What are you looking for?
I just showed them the shimmy damper. They said the reason that shimmy dampener lasted so long was because of the good piloting skill. That's how they jack it up. I can't just bring my floor jack out here and put it under there, so I don't have a jacking point.
What's that?
We'll show them this oil filter bypass. I showed in the video sticking my finger in the access hole, but that's it right there. Trying to feel for that pin to be sticking out.
Yeah, well, these things always weep around there.
So what's
So bleed air be used for pressurization.
Yeah.
And that goes into the pre-cooler, so that's why you use bypass air, and it goes across the pre-cooler and out this exhaust. Which is why this exhaust nozzle has that in there, so it goes around the exhaust nozzle, it diverts it around.
Okay.
And keeps the bleed air, incoming bleed air cooler than.
And this is the old one, and that's the new one.
Anti-ice.
So what was? It's just an age thing on these.
Time limited.
Time limited. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But y'all supply most of your own tools, don't you?
Yes, sir. Have to buy those ourselves.
Yeah.
Especially tools. Textron provide it for us. Call them up and ask them.
Yeah.
Tell boss man we're gonna have to test fly this thing to the beach or something.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go hunting or go to the beach or Wyoming be fine. Test out the icing. So anything like that. He don't watch these videos, so he don't know.
He doesn't?
He don't know what we're talking about. We just say we gotta go.
He probably doesn't want to watch them.
Yeah, you got some of them fancy screwdrivers. Look at there. Look at that.
What's that?
The tops turn on these too.
Oh yeah.
Look there.
That set was given to me, so I can't complain.
I'm just picking it, Roger.
Okay.
Is that drugs? It looks like drugs.
Which one?
That bottle looks like something you stick your needle in. Is that coronavirus vaccine?
You need one?
Huh?
You need one coronavirus vaccine? You got your humbug shot.
I put some Biobor
Oh, that should be good.
in there. Maybe it won't have much.
Last time they didn't even turn colors, so that's good.
That's really coronavirus vaccine.
What is that?
The humbug.
How many cc is it? Professional.
Look like you got experience with a needle.
That'd be my brother.
Oh.
That's it. Shake it all about.
And if it's bad, it turns color. If it's got bacteria.
Yeah, we'll know in the morning.
Oh, it'll sit overnight.
Yeah, put it in a dark room and mark this right hand side. You have one of those red bins for needles?
No, sorry. I just throw all mine in the.
I feel bad for any method that tries to get that one. It might just run really fast.
Yeah. It'd be like the alcohol in the on the windshield lights going in the left engine over there. Like a boost. All right, I'm gonna get out of y'all's hair. I appreciate y'all.
Definitely, you too.
Good job. Thank y'all.
Yes, sir. No problem.
So maybe all you boss men and women watch this and get a raise, bonus, raise, vacation time, something.
Yeah, whoever watches that, they better hear that.
But I do appreciate y'all. Saves us a lot of time and money from going.
Anytime.
So thank y'all.
I don't mind coming out here.
Well, enjoy the visit every time,
Definitely.
even though it usually ends up in a big check.
I wish I was making a little bit of that.
All right, well, I'll check you on in the morning and see. Thank y'all. There's a Cardinal. That's old Joseph. Or Brian. Somebody. One of the two. I'm fixing to go somewhere. We'll go around here and see if the Textron crew is still here. See if he's still here. Y'all still here? Man, we got a flight in 5 minutes.
You do?
Oh man, y'all have done ripped my seat out.
Oh yeah. You might want to go up there and
Oh no.
see Kyle.
It ain't good.
That fan.
Oh no.
Hey Kyle, we got a visitor.
Yeah, Maggie wants to see what you're doing.
What's that?
Maggie wants to see what you're doing. Oh man, you took the PF.
Imagine out this defog fan.
Is it bad?
Yeah. That's fine.
Golly. I thought it was down in the sidewall.
No, it's right here. See?
Oh. I'm gonna look at that again. Dang.
Yeah, she's fun. Said no one ever. I'm getting there.
But it was bad.
Yeah, it's sitting there. The shaft on the bearing inside that fan housing was just vibrating. It's on the table over there.
That's all there is to it.
Yeah, man, what's right here?
Oh yeah.
That's even tight.
Oh well.
Yeah.
think that was the original one, probably.
It was 2012.
Yeah, that'd probably be the original then. Yeah, you can see it.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a bent rim on a bicycle.
There was our humbug test for bacteria in the fuel. Clear. Both sides. Yeah. And that fan is what, a couple of grand?
I think I said $2 grand, something like that.
Like I said, there ain't nothing money won't fix. Almost nothing. Noon. Coming out here in the hangar and checking, make sure that everything's ready to go. We got a flight Tuesday all the way up, or excuse me, Wednesday all the way up to Tupelo, Mississippi. And making sure everything was ready. Kyle and Rogers got all the cowlings back on. Nose wheels all put back together. Everything looks good. Go in here and look on the inside. See, they left everything just like I had it. That's what I like about them. A lot of times I've had maintenance and stuff done. It's not just on airplanes, on anything. People just don't care anymore. They leave it any way they want to, and it doesn't matter. But it's the little things that make a difference. I like my tow bar just like that, where I pull the tractor up to it. And so they had it off, and they put the chocks back. It's all good. Little things mean a lot. Panels all put back. Things just right back where I had it. Always check circuit breakers and check them again before the flight, but I always like checking everything because you get to turning switches, moving switches around, taking this out, that out. Things can be left on and accidentally very easily. Oh, looks good. Good job, guys. So we had a pre-cooler in the engine. We had on both engines, had bacteria test, left and right, fuel tank, a defog fan replaced, shimmy dampener replaced. And I think that was it. And they did that in a couple of days. So you see there's no trash left out here. There's nothing's out of place. Stuff like that's appreciated. And buy Roger some trail mix. He likes trail mix. All right, I'm going now. Bye. Well, wind is howling out there. You can see the grass out there blowing. All right, guys. Close this out. God bless y'all. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.